Wonder what's good to eat for a snack? Well, watch this.
Hello, and welcome to the Superstar Snack Attack! Today, we are going to be chefs. Thanks, Coach. And we're going to create our own fruit and veggie snack combos. Your challenge is to choose the healthy go food and get rid of the whoa food.
So, Janie, how do they choose the healthy go foods?
Go for fresh foods like fruits and vegetables.
And if it's in a package?
Remember to read it before you eat it! Chomp, chomp!
And look out for?
Look out for sneaky sugars like high fructose corn syrup and fake colors, preservatives, and flavorings.
Exactly.
Okay, so I'm gonna hold up two choices, and I need everybody out there to help them choose the healthy go food, and I need you guys to put it on the Superstar Snack Attack board. Do you think you can do that? Yeah! Do you guys think you can do it? Yeah!
All right, then hit it! First up, how about something from the fruit group?
All right, fruit group, I've got this box of fake fruit snacks, or I've made a fresh fruit gum with strawberries, bananas, and kiwis. Fake fruit or fresh fruit? Fresh fruit, good job.
Fresh fruit, that is right, sir. Place that right up here. What about the veggies?
Veggies, I have this greasy bag of potato chips, or I've made a veggie grab bag with snow peas, baby carrots, and cherry tomatoes. Potato chips or veggie grab bag? Veggie bag, good job.
Veggie grab bag, that is right up here. Next up, what about the grain group?
Grain group, I have this bag of corn Cheapos filled with hydrogenated or I've made a little bit of popcorn sprinkled with cinnamon. Cheapos or popcorn? Popcorn, good job.
Popcorn, that is right. Place that right up here. Next up, what about the protein group?
Protein, I've got this greasy beef stick. Or I've made a protein-rich trail mix with sunflower seeds, nuts, and raisins. Beef stick or trail mix? Trail mix, good job.
Trail mix, that is right up here. Next up, what about the dairy?
Dairy. I've got all this ice cream. Or I've made a fruit and yogurt parfait. Ice cream or parfait? Yes, parfait.
Yogurt parfait, that is right. That goes right up here. And last but not least, what about something to drink for when we're thirsty?
Okay. Oh, I've got this boring can of soda. Or I've made orange fizz. Have orange juice, have seltzer water. Orange fizz. Good
Orange
job.
fizz, that is right. And that goes right up here. And let's see, did they do it?
They did!
They did the Superstar Hall of Fame. With fruits and veggie snack combos from all 5 food groups.
Yeah! Now it is time for the prizes!
Prizes?
Yeah, the prizes. Oh, wait, I know. My tracker bands. Yeah, the official FoodPlay fruit and veggie tracker bands. Every time you eat a fruit or a vegetable, you move one band from one hand and you put them on the other.
Oh, ooh, and at the end of the day, they could see how many fruits and veggies they had.
Exactly.
Good stuff, Janie.
Thank you.
And the more fruits and veggies, the better.
Here we go.
Awesome job, guys.
For more food fun and to take the FoodPlay challenge, visit me at foodplay.com.